Hello everyone, welcome to a study automation. This video I have created for developer who just want help from the internet. So let's get started. We have a site dev hints. You have to write in Google devhints.io and then you can see this website where you can get help from almost all the tools and technology that we have. For example, if you will see here, we have Linux. You want some help from the Linux, you can just click on it. Now, this page will show you all the Linux related commands that usually we performed it in day-to-day life. You can see here. Similarly, you can, if you are a React.js developer, you can search that and you will find almost all the things here. Components, how we can create components, states, property. So all things you will find in one place. And that's why I like this website very much. And this is very useful for this. Right? Error handling and so on. Similarly, we have, it is supporting almost all site. Let's say if you are a CSS, let's write here CSS. And then you can see related to CSS we have these things. So let's say if I'm clicking on pure CSS and then you will find these all things. Selectors we can select in this way. We have combinators, attributes and so on. Shorthands, background color, shorthands. So if you want to change background color you can use this one also in one line. Animation and so on, and this is are related to that one. So you can use this site and let me know if you have anything, if you find anything interesting here. This is Xpath. This is related to automation, where Selenium developer or Selenium tester is basically using this one Xpath to locate the element. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.